Hello, my art viewers. So we are again back. So this is Art of Inside Impression channel, and you are seeing my video, and this is artist BHAVANA. Thank you interesting me and playing my video and watching. And you can really explore when you watch my video. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to draw this eyebrow. So eyebrow is a really interesting thing in drawing. Yes, I'll say everything is an interesting thing while I'm drawing, but eyebrow is really interesting. So first we are using H grade pencil of Staedtler brand. H grade means hard and you cannot blend it easily. So when you are drawing hair, eyebrows, etc., when you want to fix a part or fix a region without spreading, you can go for H so that it will not blend properly and it will leave the prints there. Okay, so when you want and when you are really comfortable in using H, so that is fixing the part and you can't erase it so easily. So please think before you draw. So first use HB and then H if you are not sure. Okay, so when you draw H grade hair, that is eyebrow, you need to blend, and again we are using Tombow Mono 0 eraser in order to show that gaps. So this gaps will help you to separate each hair from the other. Let me zoom in. So this is a result. So you can see how these gaps are appearing. So these gaps are really important when you are drawing eyebrow, because eyebrow is not so close and you can see your skin from the eyebrows. So that illusion effect you need to create giving these gaps using Tombow Mono 0 eraser. Now we are using HB grade. So first layer is H, then spreading, then giving the separation marks using Tombow Mono 0 eraser. Now we are going to use HB. So we are presently using it. So you need to draw in the sense you need to push your pencil having the heavy pressure in the beginning and releasing your pressure at the end. So this is a trick when you want to draw eyebrows. This is a trick which everyone must know. So this pressure controlling technique will definitely help you to give the dark strokes in the beginning and light strokes when you are leaving. So this is what your eyebrow will look. It is thicker down, it is lighter up. So this is an illusion effect you need to create. So whatever you are observing, that thing you need to draw. So you can't draw additional things or you can't experiment with different things. So whatever you see, you need to keep on your paper. That is known as art. So in that way only you need to do. So once you are done with HB grade pencil, now we'll use the same phenomena and we'll blend using this makeup brush. So this is Babila brand makeup brush, and this is really good makeup brush because it will blend properly. So blending should be smooth so that you'll get the even results. So again we are using Tombow Mono 0 eraser. So this separation part is really important for each and every layer. So the first layer, the separation part will be in different tone. The second layer, the separation part will be in different tone. So entirely when you complete your eyebrow, that will look really good, which you can see directly. So once we are done, again once you are done with Tombow Mono 0 eraser, you need to again blend it. Don't forget to blend it because it will show really white strokes, so that we don't require. You need to get the light gray strokes, so that's why we are blending it. So now we are using 2B grade pencil. You can see how I'm holding my pencil. I'm holding my pencil as straight as possible because I need to get the same hair on the same thing, that is on the HB grade only I am giving the strokes. Okay, see, I am using 2B and I am drawing on the same HB grade which we already gave. Okay, so I hope you can't see it properly, but I'm just drawing on the same hair, leaving the separation part, so leaving the highlighting region. So in this way you need to give. You can see, right, how straightly I'm applying, and each hair should be really thin, because you can see many eyebrow, so that each hair is really thin. Okay, so again we blend it. So if you are not satisfied, again you blend it. In this way we are blending and we are completing our process. See how it is looking. I hope it is really looking good till now. And then we again took Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So as I said, this is real time video. This process will be repetitive, but it is really easy, helpful, and you can really get the realistic eyebrows when you follow this exact process. So when you don't get the same results as me, you question me back and I'll answer to your question. Okay, so this is 100% short technique and easy technique, but it is little bit lengthy, but you can get the amazing results when you follow this type of trick. So we are using 5B grade pencil now. So I'm just drawing the same hair on the other. So first we gave HB grade, then on the same HB I applied 2B, on the same 2B I'm applying 5B. So this is same process, so that's why I'm holding my pencil straight, so that I can draw directly without any disturbances, and I can exactly drop my 5B pencil on the 4B grade texture. Okay, so these all are soft grade pencils, and this 4B, 5B, 3B, 2B are really soft grades, and you can easily blend, so that's why I'm using soft grade. So first our base layer is hard grade, that is H, so it will remain as it is, and we are building upon it. So nothing magic I'm doing, I'm just going with the layers, I'm spreading, I'm adding, I'm doing the same repetitive process. But as I promised, I'll not skip each single process, so that's why I kept every layer. So I'm not doing anything behind the camera, I'm showing you all the process in front of you, so that you'll trust me and you'll also get the same results as me. So now we'll go for 6B again. So if your eyebrows are little light gray and dark gray, you can stop with 5B. When the eyebrow is really dark black, you need to go for 6B. So if you are not satisfied with 6B also, you need to get a 8B or 10B again. So I hope my 6B grade is enough for my reference image. So let me add 6B grade also. So this highlights are really important. Don't forget to add highlights, and don't forget to blend the highlights. So these two are key and thumb rule when you are drawing eyebrows. So don't forget to blend after giving this white highlights, because it will look weird when you apply the other grade pencil on the white highlights. So this is my last and final touch I'm giving using 0.3 mechanical pencil, because eyebrow are thin and you need to show that sharp edges in the corner. So that's why I'm using I'm using mechanical pencil. So in flow I missed my tool. So this is mechanical pencil of 0.3 of Tedlow brand. This tool is really important for touches, because you can give this sharp edgy look. So everyone will have the sharp eyebrows only. So and thin hair, you can see, so that look you can give using this mechanical pencil. So that's why I prefer last final touches as mechanical pencil only. Again I'm giving this highlights. Seeing my reference image, there are many highlights, so that's why I'm using Tombow Mono Zero eraser for every layer. So our hair is really thin and having several gaps, so thin gaps, I can't say the heavy and large gaps, so they are separate from each other, so some hair is not touching with the other, so that's why I'm giving. So again you can see I'm using the same HB pencil. So here there is no rule of you can use other grades also, but I'm retouching using HB pencil because I thought it is really required to give that light gray strokes. So you can really develop according to you from this process, and you can adjust according to your reference image, that is up to you. But here when you're drawing this female eyebrow, it is really complicated when she's having makeup to her face, so because they'll have the different shapes, different tones and everything, and that will be really complex process when you compare to male eyebrows. So male eyebrows is really easy when you draw, and you can give the easy highlights, so 2-3 highlights are really enough. And yes, but drawing female eyebrow is really interesting. It is repetitive, but it is interesting, and you can play with anything. You can play with eyebrows, you can create wonders in doing this eyebrows. I hope you learned clearly how I'll draw eyebrow. I'll do eyebrow in this way only for every process. I hope for female eyebrows I'll follow this process. For male eyebrows I'll do other tutorial for male eyebrows, so it is quite different from the female eyebrows, and it is easy compared to it. As I already said, it is really easy, so you need to not apply this all layers and all. So I love using this 10B outline pencil when I want to get this dark and thick eyebrows when it is required. So some hair is really thick in her eyebrow, so to show that illusion and to create that effect, I'm not applying overall, but I'm applying here and there where it is really required. So one thin hair will look light grey or dark grey, but when two light grey hair or three light grey hair combined together will give this bunchy look and dark black look. So that look I'm giving using this 10B outline pencil. So you may get one doubt why I'm using outline pencil 10B grade in the last, because I have only Staedtler pencils up to 6B grade only. So when I want to get this dark and that look, I'll use 8B 10B of outline pencils. So maybe in future I'll purchase 8B 10B 12B of Staedtler brand also, but at present I'm using my outline pencils which are left alone, so that's why I'm using. So there is no other thing. So if you have 10B 12B of Staedtler brand, you can perfectly use. You are really lucky if you have it. And in this way we already started our second eyebrow. I hope the entire process really clear, and I can speed up this process because it is quite repetitive, and you can do if you know how to do the first eyebrow. So left eyebrow I have shown detailed explanation and everything, so you can also follow the same steps in doing this right eyebrow. So I'll just speed up the process. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let's speed up this process and I'll show the last results. Yes, process going really smooth, and I'm using different grades here also, and I'm blending and I'm giving highlights. Again I'm applying other grade, and this so on the same process. So you need to match with your left eyebrow. So be sure and make sure you are using the same grades again. So because of light it may differ for the reference image, so do compare with your reference image. So in this way our process going, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. This is really important because you should not miss any video and any updates. Thank you and stay connected. Bye.